Okay, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you all fine. Okay, I hope my lectures are benefiting a lot of the people who believe and who says that geography is a very dull subject. Okay, now I have come with another topic. Now I have come with another topic with the help of atlas map. In geography, the most important thing is about the atlas map. Through atlas map, you can easily understand the directions and sequence of the things. Okay, now comes the I will tell you some of the directions of latitude, longitude, and time zones. Here you can see this is latitude. What is latitude? Latitudes are the poles that are moving from north to south. Okay, north to south. Equator is the middle part, and north and south are the points. Parallels of latitude are concentric, means in a sequence way circles that diminish in diameter from the equator to the poles. They are used to determine locations either north or south in relation to the equator. Okay, you can see this is equator. Latitude is from north to south, and it tells the locations, the countries that are located in north and south, important countries of the earth, which is located in north and south. Equator is the middle part. Okay, north of the equator parallels are designated north, while those south of the equator are labeled south. The equator is at latitude 0 degree. The poles are at latitudes 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Okay, this is the equator. You can see the direction. This is the poles of the lines that are equally moving around in a same direction. Okay. The equator divides the earth into two halves, the north hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This is the equator, this is the north and south, this is the northern hemisphere, and this is the southern hemisphere. Okay, then comes the longitude. Longitudes are from east and west. Meridians of longitude passes through both the poles. Intersecting means joining all parallels of latitude at right angles. The meridian means this, the point of intersection. You can see this on the atlas map. This is Greenwich meridian, the international daytime time which has to be measured. England was chosen in latitude at right angles. The meridian through Greenwich, England was chosen in 1884 as the prime meridian and given the value of 0 degree. Meridians determine locations east or west of the prime meridian. The 180 meridian of longitude was designated the international daytime and has a special role in the operation of standard time. The prime meridian and the 180 meridian together all divide the earth into two halves, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Okay. One thing I will tell you for your information, that look, the both the from north to south, this is the main point equator, and now to south all the countries are located that is on the point of equator, and the weather in this point is neither too hot nor cold because it is located in the midpoint. Okay, and those things that are located above the equator are hot because the sun rays are intersecting directly on it. Okay, and the point that is downward to the equator is coldest because these are away from the sun. This I have tell you for your information. The prime meridian and the 180 meridian together also divide the earth into two halves, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. When used together, lines of latitude and longitude form a grid. The position of places on the surface of the earth can be located accurately using this grid. To locate places really accurately means perfectly. Each degree of latitude and longitude can be divided into 60 minutes and each minute into 60 seconds. To locate a place directly and exactly, you have to divide the earth into two halves, 60 minutes each minute into 60 seconds. A location specified in degrees, minutes and seconds. For example, these are the western Greenwich degrees from which you can find the exact location. You have to calculate or divide. We describe a location accurately to within a few points. Here you can see this is the Greenwich time, and these are the points of location, located areas there where you can see the main point areas of the country. Greenwich meridian is about the western time and location. Okay, this is a little bit information that I have explained you. I know most of you does not know the concept. I have tell you briefly, hope you my small conversation of lecture with you is helping many of the students. Hope to see you soon. Al Hafiz.